Guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to tell you a trick. With the help of this trick you can get unlimited traffic on your blog or website. So guys, this trick is really very simple. I think that you may have known all this. You may have known this trick already, but this trick doesn't work every time because let's watch full video. So guys, this is my blog. You are watching p.duke.trust and I am going to promote this blog right now in front of you, and you just see how I do it, and I will show you how I get unlimited traffic from here. So let's start. So I just take a URL of any post here, like we are watching. There are so many work from home jobs, and work from home jobs are really very demanding nowadays. If I share its link anywhere, that I will definitely get some views from there. So I am going to share here audio ebooks audio narrating jobs. Okay, so I am getting here its URL. You guys just notice the URL of this blog, because this may be helpful for you also, because there are so many work from home jobs where you can try if you really love to work at home. So I have just I just copied its URL. Now I'm going to paste it on the place where I can get a lot of traffic. So guys, I have copied the URL. Now I'm going to Facebook. Yeah, I'm going to Facebook because Facebook is a social media platform which is used by millions of people. And how I will promote it now on Facebook, just watch full video, only then you will get. Don't skip. So I have joined so many groups on Facebook. So in in just one group you can find so many members. Like, you can find groups of 100k members, 200k members, sometimes 500k members. So if you share one post in that group of 500k members, then there is possibility of uh, there is possibility that um, at least 10k people will visit your link. So you are watching, I have joined here so many groups, but I have joined only those groups who has so many members that there could be any possibility that I could get viewers for my article. So you are watching, these are all groups I have joined just because of this reason, to share my link. Or now I am going to share this link, because before joining any group, make sure that there are no any limit to share your post. You have extremely freedom to share your link unlimited. So you're watching here 30k members, so I'm not sharing here because we can't post unlimited on Facebook at once, because Facebook block our URLs whenever we do it. So I am going to post it in any group where I find at least 100k members. So you are watching here 313k members. So guys, you can get here 3,13,000 people are members of this group. So I am going to paste my URL here. So the main part of the trick I am going to tell you: never post your URL directly on Facebook, because whenever you post your URL continuously, then Facebook could block your URL, because Facebook never gives you permission to share, to promote your content. So once if your URL got blocked by Facebook, you will not be able to share anymore. So it will be your biggest misfortune if your URL get blocked. So just try this trick. Go to Google search engine, try any URL shortener service. This is the best trick, guys. That's why I'm sharing it. URL shortener. So because if you shorten your blog URL, then it will be getting transformed completely. So every time you use another service, like one time you can use Cutly, one time you can use Bitly and other URL shortener services, because every time you use another URL, the URL get changed each time. So Facebook will not block it, and the more time you will be able to share, the more viewers you will be able to get. So this is Cutly, and I'm going to shorten here my blog URL. So just paste your URL here. First understand its policy, paste your URL, shorten. Get we are watching, I got it. I'm going to copy it, and now I'm going to that group to paste my URL. So just type here main heading of your article. So I'm typing here online ebooks audio narrating jobs. So guys, this is really a very good job if you really want to work from home. You just have to narrate ebook in audio, because there is a huge demand of audio ebooks, and it's increasing day by day. So there are also demand for narrators who could narrate ebooks, but you should just practice before joining, because so guys, first just watch. If you get this after link, if it looks appealing, then just keep it, otherwise remove it, because when you post like this in green status, and you can go get more viewers. So while you're watching, I'm going to post it. So I posted. So guys, I was telling that you can join this job. This is perfect, and if you want to look other jobs or work from home, then must visit this blog where I have posted so many work from home jobs. URL is p.ub.tech, and I'm also given in this URL in the description box. You can visit URL and just get the job whatever you want. So guys, I hope you like the video, and if you are working on a blog, then you will be successful to get traffic. So guys, so I will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.